On the 27th of July 2023, Rema performed in Atalanta as part of his Rave and Roses North American tour at the Tabernacle, but he controversially ended his performance after performing about 2 songs. So, what really happened? Fans were looking forward to a great show. They had heard stories and seen videos of Rema's performances in other cities that he had touched on this tour and were expecting the same love in Atalanta, but it wasn't to happen. Some fans were already upset because, the show started late and they didn't know why. But before Rema came out, they were entertained by performances from Crayon,
no one can do you better. Oh yeah, you body Atalanta for me. Why not go shaggy? Love the energy tonight. Where could they my side? But now you gave my mind, my you. See, this is
Victoni, Rema's performance starts well enough, but something happens during his performance that completely turns him off.
on the next thing.
Cool, you're here to see me perform, but the condition is whack. You feel me? I don't respect that. I respect you guys so much, I'm gonna let you guys know that it's not fun seeing you guys find yourself or get dehydrated, you know? Yes, I respect my fans and I know you work hard for this money you pay to see me, you understand me? So I'm gonna ask you for permission. Because this is not my fault, this is the venue's fault for not making this place ventilated enough for the people or the capacity in here. So I'm gonna ask you, do you want me to keep going or do you want us to reschedule this show? If you want me to keep going, say yeah! If you want us to reschedule this show, say hey! If you want me to keep going, say yeah! I respect my fans so much, but it seems like the votes say keep going. Hold on. I want everyone to listen to me right now. Because I was backstage contemplating with my team. This is not what the money, all this heat, I don't get it, Yeah. I'm not rocking with it. Cool, you're here to see me perform, but the condition is what? I paid your hard-earned money to do this shit, and I cannot get disrespected by this venue and this sound. This is whack. You don't move like this. Afrobeat is way too big to move like this. You feel me? I don't take no rubbish. I respect my fans, and we're not moving like this, alright? I'm gonna reschedule this show. They have disrespected me and disrespected Afrobeat by treating you guys like this. I'm out. I love you. Thank you very much.
Bad sound and poor ventilation, and Rema has left a number of sad fans at the Tabernacle in Atlanta. It's really sad and unfortunate, but it's a sacrifice that will prove to be worth it. No one, and I say no one, should ever treat our kings and queens wrong. Here's what people, however, had to say on Twitter.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this